Choosing the right fishing reel can be challenging. Weak drag power, rough rotation, cheap materials, and poor saltwater protection often ruin the fishing experience. That's why today we picked the top 5 best fishing reels of 2026. These models offer smooth performance, strong drag systems, corrosion-resistant builds, and reliable operation for both beginners and experienced anglers. We compared features, durability, and real user reviews to make this list. All product links are in the description. Number 5. SAMOLLA Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The SAMOLLA Baitcasting Reel stands out with its electronic LED screen that displays line data clearly while fishing. It features a fast 7.2:1 gear ratio for quick line retrieval and a strong 10-kilogram drag system suitable for freshwater and saltwater use. The waterproof design ensures long-term durability, while the smooth casting system reduces backlash. Its compact drum wheel build offers good control, making it ideal for precision casting, lure fishing, and anglers who want modern tech in their reel.
Number 4. TSURINOYA METIS Spinning Reel. The TSURINOYA METIS is a lightweight spinning reel available in 1,000 to 3,000 sizes, offering excellent balance for lure and bass fishing. With 8 kilograms drag and an 8+1 bearing system, it delivers smooth rotation and reliable stopping power. The corrosion-resistant construction makes it suitable for saltwater and freshwater use. Its precision machined spool helps improve casting distance and accuracy. Compact, stable, and easy to handle, this reel is perfect for anglers who want high performance without adding extra weight.
Number 3. Shimano Sienna Original Spinning Reel. The Shimano Sienna is a trusted spinning reel known for its durability and smooth operation. Available in sizes 500 to 4,000, it works well for both freshwater and seawater fishing. The ARC spool design improves casting distance while reducing line trouble. With Shimano's advanced 3D gear engineering, it delivers efficient power transfer and consistent performance. Reliable, versatile, and beginner-friendly, the Sienna is ideal for anglers who want a dependable reel for a wide range of fishing styles. Number 2. LINNHUE QH Series Carp Fishing Reel. The LINNHUE QH 3000 to 9000 spinning reel is built for power, featuring a strong double drag system with up to 20 kilograms of maximum drag. Its reinforced body handles big fish confidently, making it great for carp, catfish, and heavy saltwater species. The reel includes a free spare spool for quick line changes during trips. Smooth rotation and long-distance casting performance make it suitable for lakes, rivers, and sea fishing. A rugged, high-value option for anglers who need strength and reliability. Number 1. ROOBLINOS SW Spinning Reel. The ROOBLINOS SW is an ultralight saltwater spinning reel designed for strength and long-lasting performance. With a smooth 5.0:1 gear ratio and 9+1 bearings, it ensures fluid retrieves and stable rotation. The 12-kilogram max drag offers enough stopping power for medium to large fish, while the corrosion-resistant build makes it ideal for surf fishing and rough conditions. Lightweight yet powerful, this reel gives anglers excellent control, strong performance, and dependable durability in every environment. These fishing reels offer strong drag systems, smooth rotation, and durable builds for both freshwater and saltwater use. Whether you prefer bait casting or spinning reels, there's a perfect option here for travel, shore fishing, or tackling big catches. Which one fits your style? Comment below and subscribe.